Are you ready to get into the best shape of your life? Imagine embracing a lifestyle where fitness and health aren't chores, but exciting parts of your daily routine. Intrigued? Now that I've got your attention, let's dive into the 10 tips, shall we? First up, embrace the morning glory. No, not that one, you cheeky devils. I'm talking about the kind of morning glory that gets your heart pumping and your muscles moving. Popping out of bed and getting your workout in before the sun's even had a chance to yawn and stretch its rays across the sky. Why, you ask? Well, apart from the obvious benefit of getting it out of the way before the daily grind kicks in, there's a whole host of other perks. For starters, it boosts your metabolism, helping you burn calories throughout the day. Plus, it gives you a jolt of energy that's better than any double espresso, and it's calorie-free to boot. And let's not forget the mood-enhancing endorphins. Who needs a morning grouse when you can start the day with a natural high? So rise and shine and get that workout done before your brain realizes what you're doing. Tip number 2, the power of protein. And no, we're not talking about protein shakes at every meal. Picture this. You're a car, and protein is your premium fuel. Without enough of this top-tier petrol, you're not getting far. Protein is crucial for muscle growth and recovery, but it's not just about the gains. It's also essential for maintaining healthy tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and even boosting your immune system. You can find this muscle-mending marvel in foods like lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, and for our plant-powered pals in beans, lentils, and nuts. So, whether you're flexing at the gym or flexing your brain at work, protein is your best mate. It's there for you when you're pushing your limits, and even when you're catching some Z's, repairing and rebuilding those hard-working muscles. Remember, protein is not just for bodybuilders, it's for anyone who wants to get in shape. Our third tip, hydrate or dehydrate, folks. Now let's get real. Water is life. It's that simple. Every cell, tissue, and organ in your body needs water to function correctly. And when you're working out, your body needs even more of it. Why, you ask? Well, because you're sweating buckets, and that sweat isn't just a badge of honor for your hard work. It's your body's water supply, waving goodbye. And here's the kicker. If you're feeling thirsty, you're already dehydrated. That's right. Thirst is like that friend who always shows up late to the party, so don't wait for thirst to tell you to drink. Make hydration a constant part of your day. Start your day with a glass of water, keep sipping throughout the day, and don't forget to refill during workouts. So keep your water bottle close and sip it often. Remember, thirst is not the best indicator of hydration. Tip number 4, work it out with weights. And no, lifting your TV remote doesn't count. Now, when we talk about weights, we're not suggesting you go out and try to bench press a small car. It's about finding a weight that's challenging but manageable. Why weights, you ask? Well, weight training is like the Swiss Army knife of fitness. It builds strength, sure, but it also amps up your calorie burn. Even when you're not working out, your body is working overtime to repair those muscles you've challenged, and that means more calories burned. Beyond that, weight training can help improve muscle tone, giving your body a lean, healthy look. And who doesn't want that? But remember, it's not just about hoisting heavy hunks of iron. Technique and form are key. Incorrect form can lead to injury, and then you're not lifting anything heavier than a cup of tea for a while. So pick up those weights, folks, and remember, it's not about how heavy you lift, but how you lift heavy. Our 5th tip, the magic of movement. No, we're not talking about moving from your bed to the couch. This isn't a free pass to a Netflix marathon, folks. We mean genuine, heart-pumping, sweat-dripping movement. You see, the human body was designed to move, not to sit on a chair all day staring at a screen. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not suggesting you run a marathon daily or become a CrossFit junkie. No. The magic is in the regular, everyday movements. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Park your car a little further away from the supermarket entrance. Walk your dog around the block or chase your kids in the park. It's these little movements, accumulated over the day, that can make a massive difference to your health and fitness. Remember, it's not just about the 1 hour you spend in the gym, but the remaining 23 you're not. So keep moving, folks. Every step counts. Tip number 6, rest, the forgotten hero. Now, it's no secret that we all love a good snooze, but did you know it's just as important for your fitness goals as that grueling gym session? You heard it right. When you hit the hay, your body gets to work. repairing and rebuilding those muscles you've been working so hard to develop. Think of it like this. Your body is a construction site, and sleep is the foreman. Without the foreman, that skyscraper of muscle you're trying to build is going to take a lot longer. And we all know how construction projects go when there's no one in charge, right? So how much sleep do we need? Well, while the specifics can vary, generally a solid 7 to 9 hours a night is a good target. Like a well-tuned car, your body needs time to recharge and repair. So remember, folks, your muscles grow when you're resting, not when you're working out. Our 7th tip, the marvel of mindset. Picture this. Your body is a high-performance sports car, and your mindset, well, that's the driver behind the wheel. A positive mindset and unyielding determination are the fuel and navigation system for this journey towards the best shape of your life. You see, achieving your fitness goals isn't just about the sweat, the weights, or the protein shakes. It's also about believing in yourself, pushing past the tough days and celebrating the small victories. It's about setting your mind to it and saying, I can and I will. Remember, every squat, every crunch, every step on that treadmill is as much a mental battle as it is a physical one. So the next time you're feeling the burn, embrace it. That's your mindset flexing its muscles, proving its might. So remember, folks, your mind is a powerful tool. Use it to your advantage. Tip number 8, consistency is key. Now, we've all heard the old adage, practice makes perfect, but let's tweak that a bit to fit our purposes. Consistent practice makes perfect. When it comes to fitness, being a one-hit wonder won't cut it. You can't just eat a salad once and expect to turn into a Greek god or lift a dumbbell today and anticipate bulging biceps tomorrow. It's all about the long haul, the everyday, the grind. Remember, your body is like a finely tuned machine. It thrives on routine and regularity. A consistent workout schedule and a balanced, regular diet are your tickets to the best shape of your life. And it's not just about the physical aspect. Consistency also builds mental strength and discipline, qualities that spill over into every facet of your life. So stay consistent, folks, because Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your dream body. Our 9th tip, the power of patience. Now, you've probably heard this one before, but it's worth repeating. Patience isn't just a virtue, it's a necessity in your fitness journey. It's not about instant gratification. No magic pill or quick fix exists that'll give you abs overnight or make you run a marathon within a week. Fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making small, consistent changes over time and being patient enough to see them through. It's about understanding that progress is often slow and steady, and that's okay. It's about celebrating every little victory, every extra rep, every faster mile, every healthier meal. And remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a healthy body. It's a journey filled with ups and downs, and it requires dedication, perseverance, and above all, patience. So don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Keep going, keep pushing, and trust the process. So be patient, folks. Good things take time. And finally, our 10th tip, enjoy the journey. You see, the road to fitness isn't about sprinting to the finish line, it's about the marathon. It's about lacing up those trainers, even when the rain is pouring. It's about pushing through that last rep, even when your muscles are screaming. Sure, it's about the end goal, but it's also about the sweat, the grit, and the sheer determination it takes to get there. It's about the small victories, the personal bests, and the days when you feel like you could conquer the world. Remember, the journey to fitness isn't a straight line, it's a roller coaster. It's filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. But isn't that what makes it so exhilarating? It's not just about the destination, it's about the ride. So savor the climb, relish the struggle, cherish every step of the way. Why? Because those are the moments that make the journey worth it. So enjoy the journey, folks, because getting in shape should be fun, not a chore. Well, that's all, folks. Our top 10 tips to get into the best shape of your life. Let's recap. Embrace the morning glory, because the early bird gets the worm and the toned abs. Fuel that body with protein. It's the building block of life and muscles. Hydrate or dihydrate, your choice. Pump that iron, because weights aren't just for the boys. Embrace the magic of movement, because sitting is the new smoking. Don't forget to rest. It's the unsung hero of fitness. Harness the marvel of mindset because your mind is your most powerful muscle. Stay consistent because Rome wasn't built in a day. And remember, patience is key. Fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Enjoy the journey because it's the ride, not the destination that matters. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. So, get out there and make it happen.